So these two stencils that I designed are just a little bit of fun to create clouds, and to use them I would recommend you cut them either out of card or, as I've done here, out of plastic, so you can wipe them off in this case. And all you do is you get a very light colour of ink and you just do a very light coating, and you think first of all when you've done it you haven't really got anything there, and then you move the stencil away and you discover that you have. So you can start off with one colour and go to different colours. In the case of the brush, all I do is I give it a good scrub in some paper towel. If I go to a pale blue now, whoops, try not to lift up the stencil, that's always a good idea. Or the mask actually as it is. And you get the idea, you just get lots of fun effects. Now what I try to do is to use different sides of the mask and alternate it with the other one because they are both slightly different. And that way you don't get too regulated a look. But it's really good fun to do. And if you wanted to, you could let children do this on a school holiday and they'd have a whale of a time, I'm sure. I have my card base in here and I have my sticky tape in place already. And I've made a sentiment, have a dreamy birthday. So, you know, it's a very, very simple card, nice and quick to do, and it's not going to take you a great deal of effort to make it, but it's fun because, you know, you're just doing a bit of colour blending and it's just fun. So I'm going to pop that into my frame here to put it on. This makes it easier for me. And the last touch with this is to add some of these tiny little stars. All done. Nice and simple and suitable for a teenager or a younger child. And it's just demonstrating the cloud stencil or masks that I have designed, and the file for these will be linked below. Take care now. Bye bye.